I'll be short and sweet. First and foremost, I want to thank the Hall of Fame Committee for inducting me. It's an honor to be up here. It's an honor to be part of the Valdosta State Hall of Fame. I want to thank my family, first and foremost, too, as they supported me all my life since I was just a little guy. Many long road trips they took to see me play, to be there to support me, and I can't thank them enough. I want to throw a big thank you to my father, Brett Decker. He always pushed me to be the best person, best baseball player I could be on and off the field. Without his dedication, I wouldn't be where I am today. I also want to thank Coach Greg, Coach Todd, Miss Lori, my athletic trainer, for just keeping me on the field, giving me the opportunity to play at Valdosta State in front of everybody. We had 2 great years, won a conference championship, had just a ton of great memories here at Valdosta. I love the area. I love being a part of the community. Lastly, I want to thank my teammates. Without them, I'm not up here today. I'm being recognized, but I love each and every one of my teammates I play with at Valdosta State. They supported me. We were like a brotherhood. It's just an honor. Sorry about that, screen went up. Lastly, I just want to say I'm proud to be a Valdosta State Blazer, and I'll always cherish the years that I was here, and the people that I met, the families that I met, the kids, just all the time I got to spend on and off the field here. It was awesome. I wouldn't trade it for the world. So I'm glad everything happened the way it did, and I got to finish my last 2 years as a Valdosta State Blazer. Thank you.